In this lesson, you'll learn how to create a Time to See You Again campaign from a template. Once you've got a template set up, you can use your template to create an email campaign. It's important to remember that a template is just a layout design, which is the first step to creating a campaign. To get started, log into Set and Forget Marketing. If you haven't already created a template design, we recommend first going to the template library to do this. Select Create a New Campaign. Since I already have a template ready, I'm going to select Template and choose a design. The Email Creator option is also available, however please note that any template designs created via this method will not be saved to your template library. Now I'll select the Time to See You Again category. If you need to make any changes to the template, you can select Edit. Once you're finished editing, click Use this template. You're now in your campaign editor. You'll notice that all the setup options are broken into separate tabs. You'll first be presented with the Layout tab. This tab contains your template with editing options. You can make any additional changes to the design here, however these changes will only be reflected in this campaign and won't update the original template in your library. First, you'll need to enter a subject heading for the email that your clients will see. You may wish to use a personalized field such as the client's name to help grab their attention. On the right-hand side, there are 3 checkboxes available. It's important to leave this box ticked if you want to track the performance of your links through your campaign summary. The online viewing option will allow the client to open the email in their browser if they're having trouble viewing it via email. The Refer a Friend link will give clients the option to forward the email to a friend. Just keep in mind that this option may not be suitable for every campaign. If you'd like to see a preview of the campaign, you can use these buttons to see what it will look like on a computer and on a mobile device. Once you've made any necessary changes in the Layout tab, press Save and Continue to move to the next tab. You'll then need to fill out the Send options. Start by entering a campaign name. Make sure that the campaign name is clear and directly relates to the campaign content. The campaign name won't be sent to your clients, but it will appear in your campaign manager and reports. Then choose the frequency. I want this to be a Set and Forget campaign, which means it'll be an ongoing campaign. Next, choose the event that will trigger the campaign to be sent out. This is the client's last visit date. Then choose whether it's an actual date or an anniversary. For a Time to See You Again campaign, this will be the actual date. Next, choose when the campaign sends. This is where you choose how long after a client's visit date that they'll receive the reminder. This will vary depending on your services and your business type. For my example, I'm going to select 6 weeks. This means if a client hasn't visited for 6 weeks, they'll receive the email. Then choose when the campaign will begin sending. You'll also be required to enter a finish date for the campaign. You may wish to choose a date that's far in the future to ensure this continues sending until you're ready to change the campaign. Then select the time the campaign will start sending each day. Leaving this option ticked will ensure that any duplicate clients in your system will not receive the email more than once. Confirm and edit your sent from and reply to details where required. Then press Save and Continue. In the Demographics tab, you can choose to restrict the clients who receive this campaign. As we can see here, it's currently going to be sent to all members, which means all clients. For a Time to See You Again campaign, we recommend adding a scenario which only sends the campaign to clients who don't already have an existing appointment. To do this, click on the Add Scenario button and choose Preferred Demographics. Select Does the client have a future appointment? Select Is and tick No. This will ensure that clients who haven't visited for the set time but do actually have an appointment booked will not receive the email. I'll then press Save and Continue. If you've offered a promotion in your campaign, you can create a promotion code to track your return on investment. Select the appropriate promotion code, or if this doesn't apply to you, simply press Save and Continue. The Social tab allows you to post the campaign to your social media pages, which is a great way to reach more clients and save time by creating the post directly in your campaign. This is only relevant for once-only campaigns. Because this is an ongoing campaign, I'm just going to select Save and Continue. The last step before activating a campaign is to send yourself a test. Simply select your name at the top and press Send Test. You can add additional addresses here if you wish to send the test to multiple users. You'll then need to thoroughly check the test email by proofreading it, checking the subject heading, spell checking, and clicking all the links to make sure they work. Once you've done this, tick each of the boxes to confirm that you've checked the test email. Once you're happy with the campaign, press Activate and press OK. The campaign will then begin sending automatically at the date and time you selected. Now that you know how to create a Time to See You Again campaign, you can sit back and relax while your campaign does the work for you.